Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are back in Vegas at the Luxor. Today we have a premium king room, and apparently they've been recently refurbished, and it looks quite good. I've stayed in the pyramid before and it's definitely a lot nicer in here. So nice king bed. The sheets do look very thin though, but all looks okay. Couple of side tables there with a alarm clock, remote for the TV, and telephone pad and lamp. Both sides, some artwork. We have aircon in the corner. It works really well. We've got a couple of chairs for relaxing in. Nice bucket, which is just down the hall. We're on room 13313, so 13th floor. And opposite the bed, we've got a nice desk space, TV, lamp, luggage rack, nice tall mirror. Got some storage drawers down here, and the safe is in there. And then your wardrobe or closet with an ironing board. And some hangers and the iron. And just take you through. So we're in one of the towers. I think it's the West Tower room. I'll just show you where we are. So there's two towers. They're both crossed like that. The 13th floor. Okay, so the bathroom. The single vanity units. The MGM provided amenities here, so you've got shampoo and lotion, no conditioner. In Mandalay Bay, which I've also got a video of this trip, I've got conditioner there. Toilet, some more art, then a separate shower and bathtub. So there's your bathtub, and shower through there. So there's two of you can have a shower and a bath and look at each other through the glass if you want to. There's also a hairdryer and an outlet for your accessories. And nice big mirror there. Okay, and that's it really. I'll just show you the view. So technically it's I suppose a strip facing view, but obviously this far down the end you're not looking at too much. Got a good view of the airport over there, and also let me just turn this light off now. See Tropicana and just down towards MGM, and of course the monorail which connects the three southern properties, Mandalay, Luxor and Excalibur together, which you can use for free to get up and down. You don't need to be a resident, anyone can use it. A couple of points on housekeeping. It's generally quite clean. Let's do a dust test. Filthy, actually. Look at that. Okay, it's very dusty on the higher parts, and you can actually see it hanging off the light up there as well. Just there. Carpet also. I don't know if you can see it, but there's just bits of crumb and stains all over the place, and this is supposed to be recently refurbished. I know it's a shame somebody can spill something on the day, but there's crumbs all over the place. There's, what's that? Something over there, what is that? Oh, that's disgusting, that's someone's toenail. Oh God, okay. That's gross. There's a coin down there. That's not ours. Nice the toenail. If you also look here, can you see that handprint? That's... Come on, this is pretty basic stuff they're not getting right in terms of cleanliness. The room was comped, to be fair, for us. We actually had a suite originally and they didn't have any left, so they downgraded us to this room, but then gave us some resort credit to go with it. The room looks okay. and looking at it as it is, I would stay here. But just seeing the cleanliness issues, I wouldn't, and I'm not staying here tonight. I'm just using it as a base for offers on M Life to get some free stuff. So if you've stayed here before and you're just looking back, pop in the comments below your experience, if you thought it was worth it, if you liked it. So I've stayed in the pyramid room, which was a lot older than this, but it was cleaned a lot better. But anyway, there we go. It's not very clean, it's dirty. Toenails, coins and dust all over the place, and crumbs. Sorry, not the most positive, but I hope it's helped you anyway. Please give a thumbs up if it has, or if you've enjoyed the video, please let me know. And until next time, I will see you then. Bye for now.